Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use ultimate attacks in CookieRun OvenSmash. And by the way, just a quick heads up, the game isn't available yet to many regions until the 23rd of April. So this will help you get ready before it drops. So let's get started. Now, ultimate attacks are your strongest abilities in the game. These are powerful skills that can deal massive damage, control your enemies, or completely turn the fight around. But you can't just use this anytime. Your ultimate usually charges over time or through combat. So the key here is patience. Don't rush to use it the moment it is ready. Instead, you want to wait for the perfect opportunity where it can have the biggest impact. Now, here's the important part: timing. The best time to use your ultimate is when enemies are grouped together, when you're pushing on an objective, or when a big team fight is happening. Using it at the right moment can wipe out multiple enemies or secure a win for your team. Another thing to keep in mind is positioning. Before you activate your ultimate, you want to make sure you're in a safe and effective spot. If you use it in the wrong position, you might miss your target or get eliminated before it even finishes. You should also think about combos. Pair your ultimate with your normal skills or spell cards to maximize its effect. A well-timed combo can deal huge burst damage and catch enemies off guard. And don't forget, ultimates can also be used defensively. If you're about to get taken out, using your ultimate at the right time can help you escape or turn the fight around. And as you play more, you'll start to understand when to hold your ultimate and when to go all in. That decision alone can separate average players from really good ones. So yeah, that's how you use ultimate attacks. You want to charge them up, wait for the right moment, position yourself well, and use them to swing the fight in your favor. So if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks!